Jimmy Getchman, recruiter with Atlas MedStaff. Because of this crazy snowstorm we are getting here in Omaha, Nebraska, most of us recruiters are working from the home office today. So if you need anything, please let us know. Have a great weekend.
Looks like we have an all Atlas snow day. But yeah, we're still out here grinding at home, doing our thing. We appreciate everything you do, nurses. Atlas Snow Day 2019.
Hey y'all, so it's a snow day going on in Omaha, Nebraska, and the office is closed, but I'm going to tell you right now, we're still getting our grind on. I work remote in sunny Florida. That's outside. You probably can't see. That's green, and yeah, there's no snow on the ground there. Just wanted to say, I got plenty of jobs going on in Florida if you want to get after them. Holler at your boy.
Happy Friday, everyone.
Happy Friday, travel team!